It's a third round win yet again for NASA, which was the main applicant in this case, as the High Court nullifies for the second time the award of the ballot paper printing contract to the Dubai-based printing firm Algurair, which was set to begin the exercise on the 18th of this month.
We hereby issue an order of certiorari removing into this court, for the purposes of being quashed, the decision of the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, IEBC, awarding the tender for the printing of the election materials, including ballot papers for the presidential election scheduled for the 8th August 2017 to the first interested parties hearing, which decision is hereby quashed.
The court also sealed the fate of the commission, which now has only two options, either to appeal or begin the process afresh.
When a decision is made without consulting the public, the result can never be an informed decision, unquote. We therefore expressly hold that public participation must apply to all procurements, though the degree and form of such participation will depend on the peculiar circumstances of the procurement in issue.
An application lodged immediately after this ruling to have a stay of the orders was, however, unanimously rejected by the bench of three. The respondents, including the printing firm and the IEBC, told the court that disallowing the stay will cost the taxpayers. The judges, however, declined.
There is no clear showing that an appeal will be rendered nugatory if a stay is not granted. There is nothing, in our view, that the IEBC and the interested parties will be required to do which will defeat their appeal.
It was, however, not a smooth win for NASA, which lost orders to bar the IEBC from engaging the services of the Dubai-based printing firm in future.
With respect, we cannot grant that order as framed. While this court has a duty to ensure that the IEBC performs its duties and functions in accordance with the Constitution and statutes, this court does not have the authority to direct or instruct IEBC on how to perform its functions.
NASA, however, lost its bid to have the tender nullified on the basis of a alleged relationship between the printing firm proprietor and President Uhuru Kenyatta. The court held that NASA did not provide irrefutable evidence linking the president.
The applicant has come to court alleging these improprieties. The applicant is legally required to table admissible evidence proving these allegations. An applicant cannot table impugned evidence, inadmissible evidence, or evidence of low probative value and then require the other party to disprove the allegations on the ground that the evidence presented, however infinitesimal, raises apprehension of bias or lack of integrity on the part of the IEBC or the first interested party.
If IEBC decides not to appeal and proceed with the fresh process, it will have to have public participation to consult before awarding a new contract. IEBC is not also restricted by this ruling from giving the contract to the Dubai printing firm so long as it satisfies the legal requirements. Ken Mijungu, NTV.